Today, we're diving into the SellerSprite tutorial, tailored specifically for Amazon sellers seeking to elevate their online presence and sales. In the dynamic and competitive marketplace of Amazon, having a tool like SellerSprite can be a game changer. This video is crafted to walk you through every facet of SellerSprite, from in-depth market research and product discovery to mastering keyword optimization. And if you're ready to take your Amazon selling game to the next level, use my code GV35 at SellerSprite.com for an exclusive 45% off monthly or 35% off yearly on the SellerSprite plan. Boost your sales now with this ultimate Amazon reverse ASIN search tool. And with that in mind, let's get started. Dive deep into market research. Market research is the foundation upon which successful Amazon businesses are built. SellerSprite offers an intuitive market analysis tool that acts as a window into the competitive landscape, giving sellers a near-physical glimpse into their competitor strategies. Start with keywords. Kicking off your Amazon journey begins with the SellerSprite Chrome extension, where you can search for keywords related to your products on Amazon. This step is essential as it lays the groundwork for your entire market research, allowing you to collect broad data on your niche. It's the foundation upon which your detailed analysis and strategic decisions will be built, making it a critical starting point for any serious Amazon seller. Analyze and generate reports. After entering your chosen keywords into SellerSprite, you're presented with two valuable options: conducting a direct analysis of the marketplace or embarking on detailed product research. Opting for direct analysis gives you a bird's eye view of the competitive landscape, while product research dives into specific products to uncover granular insights. This flexibility allows you to tailor your research approach to meet your specific needs, whether you're seeking a general market overview or in-depth product information. Deciphering the data. Generating your report in SellerSprite is like opening a chest full of market secrets. The tool reveals critical information such as sales figures, average bestseller rank (BCR), monthly revenue, and keyword volumes, all of which are invaluable in understanding market dynamics. These insights not only help you understand the current state of the market, but also identify trends that can guide your strategic decisions moving forward. Understand your position. SellerSprite shines a light on where you stand in the Amazon marketplace by analyzing listing concentration, brand dominance, and seller concentration. This analysis helps you understand your competitive positioning, identifying how you stack up against the top sellers in your niche. Furthermore, SellerSprite highlights recent product launches, alerting you to new entrants and helping you stay one step ahead in the competitive Amazon landscape. By mastering SellerSprite's market research tool, sellers can strategically position their products, identify gaps in the market, and optimize their listings for maximum visibility and sales. Revolutionize product research. Finding profitable products is like discovering gold in the vast Amazon place. SellerSprite's product research tool is your pan for sifting through to uncover those golden products. Select your marketplace. Starting your research with SellerSprite involves choosing the Amazon marketplace where you plan to sell. This first step is vital because it makes sure the information you collect is exactly right for the people you want to reach. By focusing on a specific marketplace, you ensure that the strategies and products you develop are tailored to the preferences and demands of your target audience. Time frame analysis. Picking a time frame for your analysis is a critical decision in your research process. You might look at data from the past month to catch the latest trends, or choose a different specific period to understand personal changes or long-term trends. SellerSprite customizes the information according to the time frame you select, ensuring the insights you gain are both timely and relevant. Deep dive into categories. One of SellerSprite's standout features is its capability to explore deeply into Amazon's categories and subcategories. By starting with a broad category and then narrowing your focus to more specific subcategories, you can discover products that aren't as obvious to everyone else, but could be very profitable. This methodical approach allows you to uncover hidden opportunities in niche markets that others might overlook. Filter for gold. To zero in on the most promising products, SellerSprite enables you to apply a variety of filters, such as minimum monthly sales, growth rates, and price brackets. You can also filter products based on the seller's location or whether certain keywords should be included or excluded in your search. This fine-tuning is essential for identifying products that not only meet specific market demands, but also align with your business goals and capabilities. Analyze product metrics. Once SellerSprite presents you with a list of potential products, it's important to scrutinize each one's performance metrics carefully. Pay attention to sales figures, bestsellers rank, the number of reviews, and how these numbers have grown over time. This comprehensive analysis provided by SellerSprite gives you a clear view of each product's market performance and potential hurdles, helping you make informed decisions about which products to add to your portfolio. This thorough approach to product research, leveraging SellerSprite's nuanced tools, empowers sellers to make data-driven decisions, ensuring that every product added to their catalog has the potential to thrive. Mastering keyword exploration. Keywords are the compasses that guide customers to your products. SellerSprite's Keyword Explorer tool is a masterclass in finding and optimizing the right keywords for your listings. Select marketplaces and time frames. Begin your keyword strategy by selecting the specific Amazon marketplaces where you intend to sell. This choice ensures that the keyword data you collect directly applies to the audience you aim to reach. Choosing the right time frame, whether it's the past month or a specific season, helps refine your research to capture the most current and relevant trends. Input ASINs for deep analysis. Entering an ASIN, an Amazon Standard Identification Number, into SellerSprite opens up a comprehensive overview of all the keywords associated with that particular product. This method allows you to understand precisely how customers find products similar to yours, offering insights into successful keywords. It's like getting a behind-the-scenes look at your competitors' keyword strategies. Expand your keyword list. With SellerSprite, you can activate an option to include keyword variations, broadening your list of potential keywords. This expanded list covers a wider range of search queries, giving you a more extensive understanding of how customers search within your niche. It's an effective way to ensure you're not missing out on any valuable keywords that could lead shoppers to your listings. Analyze keyword performance. SellerSprite provides a deep dive into the performance of each keyword, showcasing metrics such as search volume, trend analysis, and conversion data. This level of detail allows you to identify which keywords are most effective at drawing potential customers to your products. Armed with this information, you can optimize your listings with keywords proven to boost traffic and engagement. Understanding conversion shares. SellerSprite's unique feature of showing the conversion share for each keyword is a game changer. This insight reveals not only the number of clicks a keyword generates, but also how effectively these clicks convert into actual purchases. It's a critical piece of data that helps you focus on keywords with the highest potential for sales, ensuring your optimization efforts lead to tangible results. The SellerSprite Advantage. Features that set you apart. SellerSprite isn't just about gathering data. It's about understanding and leveraging that data to make strategic decisions. Here are additional features that provide a competitive edge. A+ content analysis. Discover the impact of enhanced brand content on product performance. SellerSprite shows how A+ content correlates with sales, helping you decide if it's worth the investment. Seller and brand concentrations. Get insights into the distribution of sellers and brands within your niche, including their country of origin, which can inform your global strategy. Product launch data. Keep an eye on new products entering the market. This feature helps you spot trends and timing for your product launches, avoiding saturated markets. Making the investment. Why SellerSprite pays off. Investing in SellerSprite is not merely a cost, but a strategic move towards amplifying your Amazon business's success. The tool's depth, from pinpointing profitable products to optimizing listings with high converting keywords, offers a return on investment manifested in increased sales and market share. In the end, SellerSprite is not just a tool, it's your key to doing really well on Amazon. By looking closely at market research, finding products, and choosing the best keywords, you find valuable secrets that can shoot your business to the top. SellerSprite is made to help you succeed, making the tricky parts of selling on Amazon simpler. So, go ahead and start using SellerSprite in your plan today. Boost your Amazon sales now. Use my code GV35 at SellerSprite.com for an exclusive 45% off monthly or 35% off yearly on the SellerSprite plan. Don't wait. Unlock the power of the ultimate Amazon reverse ASIN search tool today and elevate your selling strategy. Thank you for watching. Till next time.